We want to continue our team coverage of the weather now with Justin Soto. He's spent the day in Greene County, where once again they've had some damage because of high winds.
Well, emergency crews tell me at one point earlier today, over 1,000 customers were without power in this area. And while that number has since subsided, the cleanup is still well underway tonight. Edward Ricker woke up to a mess.
The tree here hit the house, took all the power lines and everything down.
This tree landing on his roof.
It hit the house just to the other side of the eave yonder. You can see where it's dented up, and then it just slid down the roof of the house there.
He grew up in Camp Creek, saying these high winds are different.
This is the hardest wind we've ever had. I mean, the tornado was probably harder we had, but it didn't last but a few minutes.
And he's concerned about another tree slamming down on his home.
Hoping the wind will slow down a little and that tree will be standing when the wind stops. If it does, then I'll saw it down.
Power crews spent hours, some at work since 1 a.m., helping customers like Ricker. Cable companies doing the same with downed trees across the area. Greene County Emergency Management Director Bill Brown says he wants the community to be vigilant to stay safe.
Trees down across the roadways, 30 roads at this time. We have several power lines down.
And crews are ready to help if needed.
Our Greenville Rescue Squad, they're on standby also. They're ready to go. We're pretty much pre-planned and ready to go.
Well, coming up at 6, you're going to hear from another Camp Creek resident who actually had his carport ripped from the ground and thrown across his yard in these heavy winds. But for now, reporting live in Greene County, I'm Justin Soto, News Channel 11 in your corner.